Alright, so I'm in this 2011 Jetta. Starts okay, can hear that. But there's a problem of doesn't shift. Well, if you need to get it shifted, you need to push this down, this little green tab, and then, darn it, I only have two hands. You push this down and then you shift it, like so. Push down, push down, shift. This has a few more problems than just that. So, but if you're in a pinch, you can use that to get shifted out of gear. I just wanted to let you guys know that, and we'll get on to more figuring out, and I'll let you know what I find. Also, to get that piece up, it's literally pull. Just so, this is a what? 2012 Hyundai Genesis, 3-liter, 3.6 maybe. I don't remember. I was working on this yesterday. 3.8. Sorry, 3.8 V6. It was running rough. It was having issues. Anyway, it set a code for evaporative emissions. So what I figured out is that the purge valve, which is sits right here, is open. It's stuck open. You can blow through it. Even when it's unplugged, it should be shut, as of the new one. It's sealed. So, what we're gonna do, put this on. This will make it run rough because it's pulling excessive fuel through this, so it's getting more gas than it should, probably causing it to really freak out. So we need to do that and let you know how it goes. All right, whew. Okay. My knee. So this is a vacuum pump. This interfaces with the camshaft at the top of the engine. One of the camshafts at the top of the engine, so as the cam spins, this thing turns. And shoots me with oil. Wasn't that delightful? And it leaks oil.